Are you just starting out in your laundry business journey? Naghahanap-hanap ka ba ng knowledge and information about the laundry business para mapag-isipan mo mabuti if you're getting into this kind of business? Well, huwag ka nang maghanap kung saan-saan pa ng information and knowledge na kailangan mo. You can just join Laundrypreneurs webinars na kung saan we have programs for beginners, intermediate, and advanced. And this April 2025, yan pong 4 na programa natin sa Laundrypreneur. May Pera sa Labada, Laundry Shop, Standard Operating Procedures, Laundry Shop, Customer Service Excellence, at ang Labada Plus Masterclass. 4 na webinars po ay pinackage na po namin so that you will have all the information you need to get into the laundry business. Kung kayo naman po ay existing laundry shop owner, ganun din, you will also get all the information you need para po mas lalo pang mapalaki, mapa-expand at mapalawak ang inyong knowledge about the laundry business in the Philippines. If you're looking for this type of knowledge, halina kayo and take advantage of the Laundrypreneur Laundry Business Knowledge Power Pack, no? So instead of registering one by one sa ating pong 4 na webinar this April, isang package na lang po, because if you pay individually, kayo po ay magbabayad ng 4,360 pesos for all the sessions, right? Now, if you avail of the Laundry Business Knowledge Power Pack, makaka-discount po kayo ng 1,090 pesos. Babayaran nyo lang po 3,270 pesos. Kompleto na po yon for the whole month of April. Nako, makukuha nyo lahat ang ating mga webinar access link. Pipindutin nyo na lang at your desired schedule. Pero teka, baka hindi kayo available dun sa mga live schedules natin. If that is the case, don't worry. Still, take advantage of this offer because we also provide video recording of all the sessions. Lifetime access. Pwede nyo mapanood, i-review, i-replay at your convenience. Okay? Lifetime po yun. Wala pong expiration ang inyong access sa ating mga programa. So, that's great value. At ito pa, dagdagan pa po natin. Of course, if you are in business, marami kayong mga concerns, or if you're just starting out, marami kayong mga tanong, you can join the free Laundry Business Group Coaching 30 minutes before every session. Okay? So, dyan po sa mga sessions na yan, you can ask all your questions, concerns, and issues and challenges about your laundry business. At kami naman po ay handang tumulong sa inyo and even to connect you with our trusted partners nationwide who can help you with your specific problems, whether it's about installation, expansion, or any particular question about laundry production and procedure techniques. Matutulungan po natin kayo dyan. Okay? So, take advantage of this great value. Nakatipid na kayo, natuto pa kayo ng marami. Okay? So, I hope that you come and join us and take advantage of the Laundrypreneur Laundry Business Knowledge Power Pack. Sabi nga nila, di ba? Knowledge is power. So, ito na yun. The Laundry Business Knowledge Power Pack. Kumuha na kayo. It ends April 6, Sunday. Kasi po yung ating unang seminar begins on April 7, Monday, which is the May Pera sa Labada webinar. Okay? So, sana po ay i-avail ninyo ito. Today is April 6, Sunday. Last day na po. So, sana po ay you avail of this program and grab this opportunity. Just follow the link below para po makarehistro kayo, makuha ninyo ang inyong access link sa atin pong mga programa. So with that, good luck on your laundry business journey at sana po ay magkita-kita tayo sa Laundrypreneurs webinar dito po sa Laundry Business Knowledge Power Pack. See you then!